I am Nicole Miller, and I am the Mechanical Product Manager at JM, and I primarily focus in fiberglass pipe installation and our Zeston PVC product line, as well as certain commercial boards. We recognized that there was definitely a gap within the industry for a low VOC PVC adhesive. So that is why we developed this brand new product and are kind of the first to the market with the new low VOC Perma-Weld. So there's a lot of different benefits to the low VOC adhesive. Really one of the first things is it's just much more environmentally friendly. As the world moves towards a lot of living building, and it's very important that a lot of buildings qualify for LEED credits. So this new low VOC Perma-Weld that we've developed does adhere to all of those standards. We have heard from a multitude of contractors that certain low VOC or ultra low VOC adhesives on the market don't necessarily perform the way that they would expect them to. So really what we have done is we've tested our new low VOC Perma-Weld to the old existing higher VOC Perma-Weld. And in a lab test environment, they did perform incredibly similar. But we know that that's kind of the perfect scenario. So what we did was we actually took this new low VOC Perma-Weld out into 10 different markets that have significantly different climates. And so we also took it to places where it is colder, places where it is more humid and hot, just to verify that the performance is acceptable and is up to the high standard that people expect from a Johns Manville PVC adhesive.